Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the destructuring with objects. Now go to this destructuring with object file name and use the snippet, that is REACJS, and hit it, and we will look for this heading, Control C, and you can enter here, type that h1 tag, and here you can paste it that, and here we are going to display the values, and before that we will create an object const, that is emp details equals to, let's create the properties here. First one is ename, you can give some name, Rajesh something, and after that give the age something, some value you can give here. After that give the gender colon, it could be male. Then get this emp here, Control C, and we are going to do the destructuring here, const and control, just you should use that curly brackets because it is an object. You must remember this. If you are going to destructure the object, so you must give the object operators here. I mean to say that object parameters, those are curly brackets, object related curly brackets only we must give here. Remember, while you are destructuring the object, we must give the object curly brackets only here. And what is the name of this one? Ename, and comma, and age, Control C, Control V, comma, gender, Control C, Control V, and here give the emp name, Control C, which is equals to Control V, semicolon. That means we have done destructuring. How can we say we have done destructuring? Whatever the names here we are available, these are the properties of this object. emp is an object, it contains some properties. First property name is ename, next age and gender. These three are properties. Those three properties we have destructured as a normal variable here. From the emp we got this ename and age as a variable, gender as normal variable. So that means we have converted those object properties as a normal variables. That means different variables we have created with the same name only. Different names means different properties are there. Each property same name we are destructured here. This one also destructured here. This one also destructured here. But these three variables we can treat as normal variables. Then you can display on the browser each one here. H1, close it, and give the value is here ename, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, and how many are there? 3 are there. 3 are enough. Ename, Control C, age, Control V. Just copy this one, gender, and paste here. Here we are displaying as a normal variables. That means just utilizing these destructured variables as normal variables and look for the browser for the result. Yeah, see, it's not showing. Why it is not showing? Just will verify. Yeah, I think we need to call it here, destructuring with an object. Close this one. Now go for the browser and look here. it's a heading, destructuring with object heading, and first ename, age, gender, it is showing here because of this. So you must remember in this, while you are destructuring, if it is this, it is an object, we must give the curly brackets while you are destructuring here. That is one point you must remember. And second point is that same names we have to give here, here and here. These names are now, you can use them as a normal variables. That means differently we are displaying, those are normal variables. That is the second point. And third point is that you can rename destructure variables. You can rename destructure variables. As is we use, no, if you don't want to use the as is, directly you cannot modify, but you can, there is a possibility to modify with your own name. That is, just name something if you want to give. Okay, just get this, Ctrl C and replace this Ctrl V. Look here on the browser, just wait. Yeah, it is showing as usually as we expected. So likewise, age is not you are not liking, you want to change that age with the A, just A. Now you can use this A, Ctrl C, and instead of age you can give A, so it will work. So refresh it and look for the browser, look for the output on the browser. Yeah, it is showing. So that means while you are destructuring, same property name it is allowing, and if you want change the, I mean to say that rename the property name to your own name, you can rename it by using colon next what you are expecting that name. Like that you can rename the property names. So even though if you rename in those, these variables are normal variables, not the object variable. So up to here these are the properties of an object, but here these are all the normal variables. So what we have done in this, just we have taken an object and each property we have destructured, and if you want to rename it, you can rename it and display them as a normal variables. That's it. So in this way we can do the destructuring with the objects. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.